The following video is a guide on how to use the 75 multi-baler. At the back of the baler, insert 2 rolls of strapping on each of the bars provided. Next, thread each strap over the pin and down into each of the baler chambers. Then pull each strap from the back of the chamber down through each of the front door slots. Loop and knot each of the straps. Then fasten into the holding points on the door. Using the tie feed bar from the top of the chamber, push the straps into the U-shaped slots at the base of the chamber. Using both hands, pull the carriage head over to the other chamber. Repeat the threading process on the second chamber. This should be done before compacting material. Next, load material into the chamber, and when full, pull the compaction head across into position. Press the start button and push the lever into the down position to run a cycle. At full stroke, press the start button and pull the lever into the up position. In the second chamber, load material, and when full, pull the carriage head into position to compact. Again, press the start button and push the lever into the down position to run a cycle. At full stroke, press the start button and pull the lever into the up position. Repeat the process of loading and compacting in both chambers. When material is being compacted, the operator can load material in the free chamber. When the compaction plate stops on one of the bale full decals, it is time to tie and complete the bale. Before starting the bale tying process, make sure to park the carriage head over the other bale chamber. Next, pull each strap over the top of the chamber through the front door using the tie feed bar. Make sure you have enough strapping to tie the bale before cutting each strap. Only the bottom portion of the cut strapping needs to stay in the slot for tying. Move the carriage head back over the chamber